Hi everyone, this is Dawn Marie with Creative DME Designs, and this is for the HPP February journal. It's specifically a non-grunge kickback to the original days of journals and scrapbooking. I used one specific, actually two sets of paper that had a crafting feel to it, and I also added several extra pieces of paper that went well with it. My dogs are here beside me, and they know that I'm videotaping, so they're all excited because they like to say hi. But here we go real quickly. I have put a little note here, and it says, well, hello, what a day with a little girl. Jot all the good, noteworthy things down this year and enjoy the journey. I put it on rings here. I figured that was a little old school because we didn't know all the binding methods back then. On the inside cover, it says create happiness 24/7, 365 every day. Now this is one that is a monthly journal type thing, and that's what one of the tacks that I used was a January through February. So this is my January front page. This is the back page of that one, and it has an envelope. Billy Goat, that's Billy Goat trying to say hi. An envelope in it. I'm just going to show you one of these, which will be the January, and then we'll just go through all of them. It has there's Billy. It has a note inside, and they open like this so that you can do some writing. And that's one of the pieces of paper. So they were falling out, so I did have to add this corner piece down here. But these are from the actual pages of the sheet that shows you everything that's on it, and I thought that was pretty cool. I've matched them up to the January. Next in the January one is a pocket with note cards in it. I didn't put anything extra on these. I left the backs. If I were to do anything extra, I'd make them in the tags or whatever. The next page of them is this page, which actually flips open and has these added in, and they're actually glued on. I figured using a circle that was pre-cut was something that sort of, they had all those things back in the day. And that was January. Now, February is this one. That's the envelope. This is the tuck spot. And this is the back. Okay, we're on March. There's Billy. Tucks. April. Oops, it came out. Okay, Billy. Tuck. May. June. July. August. I liked this one with the flower and the gingham grid. I love gingham. And of course, I don't know why this one has a lot of my favorite things in it. This one has markers. And now we're on to September. October. November. This is really pretty. I didn't add things to that one. Oops. I guess I'll have to do that. Oops. It got past me. December. Wow. That just shows you. I was trying to do this late at night and finish up, and then I got a nosebleed. I must have gotten it right around that time. And then at the end, it has handmade goodness. And then it says, so totally crafty, and my initials, DME. And then on the back, it says, oh my goodness, I want to remember this. So other than, what was that, November, that I didn't put those 2 cards in, this was my crafty journal for HPP's February challenge. We call it the Margie challenge. And this one was to make anything non-grungy. This is very not grungy. I never put anything else on it. All I used was paper and glue. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.